Indra, ne?
This is our classroom. My name is Cynthia. What's your name? My name is Rowan. What's your name? My name is Daniel. What's your name?
My name is Gita. What's your name?
My name is Robert. What's your name?
My name is Otis. What's your name?
My name is Edgar. What's your name?
My name is Gintas. What's your name?
My name is Roland. What's your name?
My name is Shannon.
This